na ni kwa sababu alijitolea, hakutaka kuwa na sababu. He had more reasons not to succeed than he had to succeed. But he worked against the odds. You heard him that he ran barefoot in his earlier days. But he didn't see those as impediments to his ambition and to his success. I say Kevin, even in his death, is speaking to us as Kenya. That we may not have gold, we may not have so much, and that should not deter us from being the great country that we must be.
A young man who has done proud to our republic by shattering the world record and was looking forward to even do much better in the Olympics at Paris. We have come to condole with the young family and the parents and to tell them that we hold them in prayer, that God gives them strength to bear the great loss.
It's a difficult moment, particularly for the family and for the people of this area and Kenyans and the athletics community. We can only wish and pray that the record that Kiptum was planning to break shall one day be broken by Precious and Caleb.
Kiptum for me was like a son, and I interacted with this young man up close, and he was an incredible young Kenyan. A bright star dimmed far too soon, and an athlete who was already taking a prominent role in all the good things that this ministry and government is doing. Kiptum had already become a champion in our anti-doping agenda, our absolute zero tolerance to doping, our message of running and winning clean. And indeed, when his record was ratified only a couple of weeks ago by World Athletics, we applauded, because he then symbolized that indeed you can run, you can win, and you can shatter world records without doping.